So children, we are going to start with the new topic, chapter number 14, compound interest. We have learned the formula for finding the interest, that is interest equals to PNR, that is principal, period and rate of interest upon 100. This was known as simple interest. This is how the simple interest was calculated by you earlier. Now to calculate the compound interest, first we calculate the amount and then compound interest is calculated. The new formula to calculate the compound interest amount is A equals to, where A is the amount, P, principal amount. Principal means how much we have taken the loan or we have deposited the amount, that is principal. R is the rate of interest per annum. Per annum means per year. If it is half year, then we can take R by 2. If it is quarter year for 3 months, then it is taken R by 4. And according to that, we can take monthly also. Nowadays, the rate of interest on our saving account and all is calculated by bank daily on our balance. It is given together at the end of the quarter. Quarter means after every 3 months. So here R is the rate of interest and raised to power n, the number of period. For example, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, then rate of interest is per annum for 1 year. So how many number of years is denoted by capital N. This is the amount what we have to give along with the interest or we receive along with the interest. If we have taken loan, we have to pay along with interest, and if we have deposited the amount to the bank, we get the interest. So amount is that. And compound interest, what was calculated interest is amount minus principal. So here you will understand that amount is always greater than the principal amount. Very clear? If it is less, we'll come across. So this is compound interest equals to A minus B. Here is one activity given for us. Visit the bank nearer to your house and get the information regarding the different schemes and rates of interest. Make a chart and display in your class. Or you can make for your ready reference also. So for this, I request you can go along with your parents or guardian or anyone elder in the family. Go to the bank, see how the system works. One branch manager will be there, a system manager may be there, other clerks must be there, and one in the cabin, cashier will be sitting there. So there you try to have talk with the bank officers and get the information. And the charts are displayed in the bank, the rate of interest, timing and all. The schemes what you can have, you can ask the bank officials also, they will also guide you. So you should attempt this activity by your own along with your parents or guardians. So in the next video, we are going to start with the exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.